Hey guys, what's up? Here are the notes for tonight's homework that you're going to need for Friday. Remember, I'm not going to be there, so you might want to make sure that you get these down. Okay, here we go. Okay, oops, let's go back really quick. Okay, what we're going to be working on today, or tomorrow in class on Friday, is solving systems using a calculator. Okay, how to use it using a graphing calculator. Okay, here's your goal. You'll be able, that should say calculator. Okay, so afterwards you're going to be able to solve them using a calculator. There we go. Here we go. Okay, first, remember, you are going to have two systems, or you're going to have two equations. You type them in. All I'm going to say is they have to be in the form y equals. If they do not say y equals, okay, if it's like the ones we've been working on, like 3x minus 2y equals 12, you cannot, I repeat, you cannot type those into the calculator. Okay, you can, but I'm not going to show you how. So make sure that you are paying attention to that. Okay, now, first thing you're going to want to do is type both equations into the calculator. Type both equations into calculator. That's not how you spell calculator. Now, again, if you need to write these button combinations down, you can, but you might, I'm not going to go over, I'm not going to write them down. You need to go to a new document, go to a graph. As soon as you type in the graph, you can type in the first equation. Now, the first equation I'm using is 3x minus 5. I type that in, I press enter, my screen's going to look like this. Okay? After I do that, okay, I'm going to go to the next section. I'm going to type in my second one. Okay, here's my second equation. I'm going to type that in. Now, to get to the second equation, remember, press tab. If you press tab, the box will pop up. You can type in your second equation. There's the second equation I'm typing in. Okay? Now, when I press enter, look, can you see the second equation? Okay? Where did it go? Okay? It's not there. Sometimes you won't see the second equation. Okay? So after you do that, what I want you to do is what you're going to see on the next screen. Okay? You're going to have to go to menu. Okay? Then you're going to have to go to Windows Zoom. Actually, I'll change the color there. Windows Zoom. After Windows Zoom, you want to select Zoom Fit. Okay? So I'm going to write that step here. Okay? Windows Zoom, Zoom Fit. Basically, you want to go change the window. So the next step is change window. And like I said, you do that by going to Windows Zoom, Zoom Fit. Okay? Once you do that, it's going to show both equations. Okay? I kind of messed up and I forgot to screenshot what the window does when you change it, what it does, but just to know that you can. Okay? After you do the Windows Zoom, okay, your next step is to find the intersection. Now, the way that you do that is you go to menu again, you choose Analyze Graph, and then you choose Intersection. Okay? When you do that, here's what's going to pop up. Now, before we get into what all this means, I want you to, this is what the two equations look like. After I typed in Windows Zoom, it showed me both equations, it showed me both lines. Okay, now this is important because I need to see this right here. This intersection, I need to see that. If I don't see the intersection, I want to grab any of the white space. Okay? Grab any of the white space. And after I grab the white space, I want to move it around so that I can see the intersection. Okay? I can see the intersection so I don't have to worry. Okay? But that's when I go back and I do my analyze, find the intersection, okay? Once I do that, I'm going to get something that looks like this. I'm going to get a hand like this, okay? I'm going to get this dotted line here. I'm going to get this thing that says lower bound. Now, lower bound means the left of the intersection. Okay? It means the left of the intersection. Now, if you look at my hand, okay, here's my intersection. My hand is to the left of it. That's good. Once I'm there, I press enter. Okay? Next, after I press enter, it says upper bound. Upper bound means the right of the intersection. That seems easy enough, right? Good. Now, if you take a look, you will see that I moved my hand. Here's my intersection. I moved my hand to the right of it. Okay, you see this little shaded area? That means that I moved and I covered the intersection. Okay? After I do that, okay, I get my answer. Okay, there's my answer for this system. Again, what that means is for these two equations, if I took the number 5 and I put it in for the x, then the number that would pop out for my y in both instances would be 10. Okay? I hope that you have these written down well, because if not, okay, you're going to have a hard time tomorrow. I would make sure that you have all the keystrokes I mentioned written down. All right? See you guys Monday.